First, it starts with a couple chickens, then a pig, a cow. Don't forget the baby goat. Your aesthetically pleasing landscape fencing won't cut it. You need a fence that will keep them in and the predators out. You got this, and T-post topper is here for it. Here's your shopping list. 1 T-post for every existing wooden post. Field fencing to fill the gaps. T-post clips or fence staples. 1 T-post topper for every T-post being used. And lastly, the wire of your choice. Now let's get it done. Drive a T-post, securing it to each existing fence post, deep enough to cover the T-post anchor plate. To fill gaps in the existing fence, use woven wire, poultry netting, or cattle panels. Use T-post clips if securing to the T-post, or galvanized fence staples if securing to the existing wooden fence post. Now your crew is staying in. Let's keep the predators out. The patent-pending T-post topper is designed to securely fit any T-post. You can choose a T-post topper that faces in or out. This topper will face out, keeping predators from jumping in our pasture. Press down, pushing the T-post topper snugly on your T-post. It's that easy. If needed, there is a hole in the side that allows you to use a bolt or screw for added security. Now choose your wire. You can use straight fencing wire, barbed wire, or, with our self-insulating polymer plastic design, you can run up to 3 strands of electric wire. Take this to this. But wait, that's not all. You can also take this to this. If you need it protected, T-post topper has you covered. Order now at www.tposttopper.com.